Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Sonata battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your new battery. These steps ensure a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. Next, move to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, and disconnect it in the same way. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. First, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures it in place. Be careful as you lift out the old battery. It can be quite heavy, often weighing between 30 and 40 pounds. Once removed, gently place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. To finish up, connect the new battery. Always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Use your 10mm wrench to tighten all connections firmly, ensuring they are secure and won't vibrate loose. Double-check everything and you're all set. For more helpful tips and great deals on tech, like the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.